It is time to shine your light.
Hello friends, Namaste. Happy World Children's Day.
This is our day, a day that reminds us all that every child everywhere has rights to survive, thrive,
Participate and reach our highest potential.
This year has been a difficult one. The COVID-19 pandemic has changed our lives. We cannot go out to play, cannot meet our friends. There's no school. Our learning is affected. This isn't an easy time at all. Some of our little brothers and sisters cannot get immunized because our parents fear taking them outside. The COVID-19 crisis is our crisis too. So we feel we must have say since the pandemic is affecting us. It's a matter of our future after all. And we can offer solutions. Nothing about us without us.
Together we can reimagine the future for millions of children like us.
We are proud to join hands with UNICEF, Grammy Award winner Ricky Cage, and some incredible musicians from around the world in this concert to celebrate our special day with you. All our songs today have a strong message of peace, unity, and environmental sustainability, giving us hope for a better future for all children and our planet.
The first song, Shine Your Light, is all about the importance of being kind to one another. It features Lonnie Park and Grammy nominee Armand Hutton from the USA and IP Singh from India. There are no instruments here, just the voices of these artists bringing in all the sounds. Yes, we can do so much with just our voices. Remember to be kind always and shine your light.
हम सब साथ यहाँ हैं, हम सब साथ यहाँ हैं, कोई फर्क कहाँ है, कोई फर्क कहाँ है। Hey! चलो हाथ बढ़ाएं, चलो सबको दिखाएं, कोई भी यहाँ अकेला ना है। It is time, let's do this, it's our time, let's do this, it is time to shine your light. Let's do this, it is time to shine your light. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It is time, shine your light. मैं जो साथ निभाऊं, तू जो साथ निभाए, तो बात बन जाए, तो ये रात ढल जाए। मैं जो साथ निभाऊं, तू जो साथ निभाए, तो बात बन जाए, तो ये रात ढल जाए। चलो हाथ बढ़ाएं, चलो सबको दिखाएं, कोई भी यहाँ अकेला ना है। It is time, let's do this, it's our time, let's do this, it is time to shine your light. Let's do this, it is time to shine your light. Come on. Oh, 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 oh.
Namaskar, this is Amitabh Bachchan. You must have heard these words several times. Do boond zindagi ke and 5 saal 7 baar. I hope you remember what they mean. Yes, I'm referring to life-saving vaccines that all children must get to protect them from preventable diseases. Immunization acts as a protective shield, keeping not just the child, but also families and communities safe. Imagine how wonderful it would be if in our country all babies and children are fully immunized against all preventable diseases. Sounds like the future we would all want for every child. This World Children's Day, let us all join together to reimagine a world where every child survives and thrives, is healthy and immunized. To reach this goal, we need to work together, all of us, especially now, during and after the COVID-19 pandemic. Children need their vaccines, and with lockdown parameters easing over, as a parent, I would urge you to please take your child for the scheduled vaccination to your nearest immunization session, health center, or hospital. Don't forget to take your immunization card with you. Always wear a mask, maintain physical distancing, and wash your hands frequently. Immunization has been at the heart of UNICEF's work over the last 70 years. It is an organization that has worked assiduously towards immunization for children around the world. No organization is better placed than UNICEF for the delivery of these vaccines. As a Goodwill Ambassador for UNICEF, it gives me immense pride to be a part of this great effort. Come, join in with me, and let us make a difference in the lives of all children everywhere. Thank you. Namaskar.
Wow, we couldn't help dancing to that, and I'm sure you danced too.
As we know, all of us are interlinked, every single species,
We humans are just one among millions of species.
that call Earth their home. We are all musical parts of the same Earth song.
Let's sing our hearts out and create a wave of positive energy.
And action to ensure the children around the world have an amazing future ahead.
Here is one song.
जागो पधारो मैं जो गण देभा जागो पधारो मैं जो गण देभा
जागो जागो इंसानों के जागने का है ये समय, देखना हो न जाए देर। आने वाला जो कल होगा आज का ही वो फल होगा, देना हमको दखल होगा। कूचा कूचा पुकारे आओ मिलके जी सारे, ना करो अनसुना रे। Reach out, let us join hands and sing this world song. Reach out, let us join hands and sing this one song. Reach out, let us join hands and sing this world song. Reach out, let us join hands and sing this one song. जागो पधारो मैं जो गण देभा, जागो पधारो मैं जो गण देभा। तू और मैं जो मिल जाए तो ना रहेगा फिर हम और वो, सब करे तो जाएगा हो। अब भी हम अगर चाहे तो बदल देंगे तकदीरों को, सब करे तो जाएगा हो। दरिया दरिया पुकारे, नदियाँ करती इशारे, ना करो अनसुना रे। Reach out, let us join hands and sing this love song. One song, one song, one song. Reach out, let us join hands and sing this love song. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Let's talk about our carbon footprint. As humans, we release a lot of carbon into our atmosphere through our everyday activities, our industries, automobiles, and more. We also cut down forests and trees that can help contain our carbon emissions. This creates global warming and is slowly destroying our only home, planet Earth.
Everyone can play a vital role in reducing carbon emissions.
Simple actions like eating less meat,
Using public transportation,
recycling,
only buying the things that we need.
go a long way. The next song, Carbon Footprint, is sung by the first winner of Indian Idol Junior, Anjana Padmanabhan. Join us in singing this song and together let's make our carbon footprint go away.
इंसानों के कुछ है निशान जो मुश्किल से जाते मिट, और जो अपने हैं ये निशान इन्हें कहते हैं कार्बन फुटप्रिंट, है कार्बन फुटप्रिंट। पर हम मिटाएंगे ये कार्बन फुटप्रिंट, मिलके मिटाएंगे ये कार्बन फुटप्रिंट। कितना कुछ हम फेंकते हैं और कितना करते हैं धुआं, करते पानी वेस्ट तो अपना ही नुकसान हुआ ना, नुकसान हुआ ना। पर हम मिटाएंगे ये कार्बन फुटप्रिंट, मिलके मिटाएंगे ये कार्बन फुटप्रिंट। हम सब जो सोचे तो कुछ तो करेंगे, इस मुश्किल से मिलके लड़ेंगे। हाँ हम भी छोड़ेंगे कुछ
Know another way to reduce our carbon footprint? Let's start cycling. Bicycles are amongst the greenest forms of transportation in the world. Cycling is a fun way to get from one place to another without polluting the atmosphere, and a great way to get some exercise as well. Wouldn't it be wonderful if our city roads had dedicated lanes for cyclists? I just love the feel of fresh air blowing in my face when I ride. Nothing else can beat that. Coming up next is Bicycle Day, sung by Anjana Padmanabhan. Let's make every day a bicycle day.
आज का दिन है बड़ा ही खास, स्कूल की आज ना आएगी बस, यह बाइसिकल डे हम सब है चले, यह बाइसिकल डे हम सब ले मजे, दोस्त सारे साथ है चलते, ट्रिंगलिंग 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 बाइसिकल डे, घंटी साइकिल की कहे हेलो, चलो पेडल जोर से मारो, यह बाइसिकल डे हम सब है चले, यह बाइसिकल डे हम सब ले मजे, दोस्त सारे साथ है चलते, ट्रिंगलिंग 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 बाइसिकल डे, बाइसिकल है पास तो चलो, और जरा भी पोल्यूशन ना हो, यह बाइसिकल डे हम सब है चले, यह बाइसिकल डे हम सब ले मजे, दोस्त सारे साथ है चलते, ट्रिंगलिंग 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 बाइसिकल डे, ट्रिंगलिंग 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 बाइसिकल डे, ट्रिंगलिंग 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 बाइसिकल डे, it's bicycle day.
It is time to shine your light.
Don't you all love the oceans, rivers and lakes? Over 70% of the surface of our planet is covered by water, and surely you can imagine how many fascinating creatures live underwater. Home to the mighty blue whales and the microscopic plankton, our water bodies are beautiful places that we need to conserve and protect. The oceans play a vital role in keeping our planet healthy. We have to ensure that pollution does not destroy them. The next song is performed by our 7-year-old friend from Bangalore, Aline Vegas, and she is going to take us on a journey through that paradise that lies underwater. Let's sing along as we join her in the water world.
tropical island, white sandy beach, clear water around the shore. Clownfish, goldfish, all kinds of tiny fish swimming right between your toes. All around the sandbar, danger lurks, crocodiles swimming there. Deeper down if you dare to go, 'cause that's the serpent's lair. There's underwater mountains, underwater caves in the water world. There's so many colors, so many creatures in the water world. Schools of tuna, group or two, mackerel and cod, dodging hungry predators and the fishing rod. Waiting on the rocks, he sits and waits, can't even see him with spectacles. He's an octopus looking out for lunch, so look out for his tentacles. There's underwater mountains, underwater caves in the water world. There's so many colors, so many creatures in the water world. The tide ebbs and there's an oyster bed right underneath the piers, where cockles and mussels hang on tight all through the ear. Baby crabs scurry to hide in a hurry, ruining all their fun. It's a 100-man charade flapping his way, and he is on the hunt. There's underwater mountains, underwater caves in the water world. There's so many colors, so many creatures in the water world. There are so many plants, so much more than just sand in the water world. All of us on the land must take care of our friends in the water world.
We believe that we can achieve anything if we are given quality education, equal opportunities, and a good support system. The COVID-19 pandemic has caused a learning crisis at this crucial stage of our lives. Over 290 million children are unable to attend school. Some of us have computers and smartphones to continue online learning, but there are so many children who do not have these gadgets and they are forced to miss classes.
Our education is key to the progress of our country, and we humbly ask all of you adults to make our schools safe so that we can continue to learn and grow with our classmates and teachers. We can even give solutions and ideas to help make learning better.
The next song is called She Can Do, He Can Do. It's about the importance of working hard and, more importantly, providing equal opportunities to children regardless of gender.
Here is Shafali Alvarez performing She Can Do, He Can Do.
ये लड़का है एक बावर्ची, पकवान बनाए कमाल, और ये तो बचपन से ही किचन में है करता धमाल। एक लड़की है जो प्लेन उड़ाए, दुनिया वो घूमना चाहे, हमेशा ही अपने हाथों से इसने नट और बोल्ट घुमाए। She can do, he can do the things they do so well. She can do, he can do, so teach them to excel, excel, excel. बाय करे माँ की मदद सफाई में, पापा कर रहे लॉन्ड्री, बहना ने कुछ मन में जो ठान हो ओली. He can do, she can do the things they do so well. She can do, he can do, so teach them to excel. He can do, she can do the things they do so well. She can do, he can do, so teach them to excel, 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 and see what they can do.
Here's a sad fact. Air pollution kills over 1 million people every year in India. This number is one of the highest in the world, and this is certainly not the future we want. Breathing clean air is a human right, and we young children will have to live on this planet for many more years. Yes, we want a bright future. We humans have to stop polluting the air, land, and the oceans, and we just cannot afford to put it off any longer. The next song is about the future that awaits us and the future that we rightfully deserve. This song is Iltaja, sung by the fabulous Khatija Rahman.
सपने जो देखे हैं पूरे होंगे वो अपनी भी आँखों से, गर तुम उनको देखो. चाहत कैसे मेरी रंग लाएगी यहाँ, गर वादे टूटेंगे तो बनेगी कैसे दास्तां. जो भी कदम तुम लेना रखना जहन में अपने सोच, क्या आएगा हमारे कांधों पर बीते कल का बोझ. हमें जीना है इस धरती पर, यही है घर, ख्याल रखना. हमें जीना, सांस है लेना यहीं पर, यहीं पर एक यही तो है घर. करते हैं हम सारी दुनिया से इल्तिजा, जो छोड़ के तुम जाओगे वही हमको मिलेगा. हमसे जो है मोहब्बत तो इतना कर जाना, धरती हवा और पानी से कम लो हर जाना. जो भी कदम तुम लेना रखना जहन में अपने सोच, क्या आएगा हमारे कांधों पर बीते कल का बोझ. हमें जीना है इस धरती पर, यही है घर, ख्याल रखना. हमें जीना, सांस है लेना यहीं पर, यहीं पर एक यही तो है घर. हमें जीना है इस धरती पर, यही है घर, ख्याल रखना. हमें जीना, सांस है लेना यहीं पर, यहीं पर एक यही तो है घर. सपने जो देखे हैं पूरे होंगे वो अपनी भी आँखों से, कर तुम उनको देखो.
Hi everyone. We know COVID-19 has not been easy for anyone, and especially children, making them more vulnerable to violence. We can prevent this by being aware and protecting those around us. And as men and boys, we have a responsibility to be better role models because we know often it is we men who are perpetrators of violence. As a UNICEF celebrity advocate, I'm committed to ending violence against children and would like you to join in doing so. You can support UNICEF by lending your voice, time, or money. Every support counts. On this World Children's Day, let us pledge to end violence against children.
वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम् जहाँ तक जाए नज़र फलक से भी ऊपर है जिंदगी देखी बस धरती पर हर दिल जो है धड़का ये उसका घर कब समझेंगे कि जिंदगी की जो छाँव है उसमें ही है बसा अपना जो गाँव है कहानियों वाली जन्नत है यही है तेरी और मेरी ये साझी ज़मीं वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम् सदियों से सांसों की डोर कुदरत ने है बांधी हुई रस्तों में मुश्किल हजार जिंदगी ने है फांदी हुई वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम् कब समझेंगे कि जिंदगी की जो छाँव है उसमें भी है बसा अपना जो गाँव है कहानियों वाली जन्नत है यही है तेरी और मेरी ये साझी ज़मीं कहानियों वाली जन्नत है यही है तेरी और मेरी ये साझी ज़मीं
It is time to shine your light.
Time to take our imagination for a little ride now. I want you all to close your eyes for a moment. Are your eyes closed? Okay, now imagine that you are getting up from your seats and walking out your door. As the door opens, you see a lush green forest right in front of you. You can hear the sound of a waterfall in the distance. The air is clean and fresh, and you can hear the calls of beautiful birds from the trees. Do you feel at peace just imagining such a beautiful forest? Now open your eyes. Trees are the lungs of our planet, as they trap carbon dioxide in large quantities and give out oxygen. They are vital for the survival of millions of species, including ourselves. We have to protect our trees. The next song is called Gimme Your CO2 and is sung by Prajot.
बारिशों के मौसम आ रहे हैं अब कम, प्यासे पेड़ देखते हैं राह, काटते रहोगे पेड़ों को जो ऐसे, कहाँ मिलेगी साफ फिर हवा। तो दे दो दे दो दे दो मुझे CO2, मैं ऑक्सीजन बना के तुम्हें वापस दूं। मैं साथी हूँ तुम्हारा ही, थोड़ा रखो तुम ख्याल हमारा भी। मुझे काटो मत, करो मदद की, हरा भरा मैं रहूं, और बदले में मैं तुम्हें ठंडी ठंडी हवाएं दूं। तो दे दो दे दो दे दो मुझे CO2, मैं ऑक्सीजन बना के तुम्हें वापस दूं। मैं साथी हूँ तुम्हारा ही, थोड़ा रखो तुम ख्याल हमारा भी। तेरे साथ मैं, मेरे साथ तू भी सांस ले, मैं भी सांस लूं। अगर जंगल नहीं रहे तो बड़ी मुश्किल जाएगी हो, कितने सारे पंछी और जानवरों के घर जाएंगे खो। तो दे दो दे दो दे दो मुझे CO2, मैं ऑक्सीजन बना के तुम्हें वापस दूं। मैं साथी हूँ तुम्हारा ही, थोड़ा रखो तुम ख्याल हमारा भी। हाँ दे दो मुझे दे दो वो CO2, मैं ऑक्सीजन बना के तुम्हें वापस दूं। मैं ऑक्सीजन बना के तुम्हें वापस दूं। तो दे दो दे दो दे दो मुझे CO2, तुम दे दो मुझे CO2, मैं ऑक्सीजन बना के तुम्हें वापस दूं, और तुम्हें वापस दूं। थोड़ा रखो तुम ख्याल, थोड़ा रखो तुम ख्याल, थोड़ा रखो तुम ख्याल हमारा भी।
Mahatma Gandhi ji, the father of our nation, was one of the wisest people to have ever lived.
He said that we have to be the change that we want to see.
And I cannot agree with him more.
Gandhiji preached peace and non-violence and was a shining example of one who practiced what he preached. Today, we advocate action to stop violence against children in any form. The next song is performed by the Emmy-nominated duo Salim Suleiman and Grammy Award winner Ricky Cage. It is called Man Mein Aman, resonating the ideals of Mahatma Gandhi, peace, unity and non-violence.
चाहत है सुकून की तो मन में अमन तो रखना, राहत है दूर भी तो मन में अमन तो रखना। कस्तूरी जो महके मृग बहके, पर वो ना जाने दुनिया में जो ढूंढे है उसके अंदर ही ठिकाने। बदलाव जो चाहे तू वो खुद ही तू बनना, मन में अमन तू रखना। हर एक जो रास्ता है तुझसे वाबस्ता है, जाने क्यों मंजिलों को पाने को तू तरसता है। चले तू ढल तू अपने ख्वाबों के रंग में, कल तू बदल तू आज को ले अपने संग में। कस्तूरी जो महके मृग बहके, पर वो ना जाने दुनिया में जो ढूंढे है उसके अंदर ही ठिकाने। बदलाव जो चाहे तू वो खुद ही तू बनना, मन में अमन तू रखना। चाहत है सुकून की तो मन में अमन तू रखना, राहत है दूर भी तो मन में अमन तू रखना।
Our next song is about honoring those who throughout history did all they could to pass on a better world to future generations. Now, there are a lot of famous people like Mahatma Gandhi, Mother Teresa, Rosa Parks, Martin Luther King, Nelson Mandela, and countless others who have dedicated their lives to making this world a better place for everyone and everything. Now, our next song is called Something to Live Up To, and it's sung by the one and only Benny Dayal. Here is Something to Live Up To.
कुछ तो कर जाएंगे कमाल हम धरती पे, सबको जो मिले कुछ करने की वजह। चाहे बूढ़े हो या जवान, हो अमीर या गरीब, सब कुछ कर सकते जो करने की वजह। कुछ तो कर जाएंगे कमाल हम धरती पे, सबको जो मिले कुछ करने की वजह। कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि तुम कैसे हो दिखते, सुंदर सब है जो हो कुछ करने की वजह। कुछ तो कर जाएंगे कमाल हम धरती पे, सबको जो मिले कुछ करने की वजह। पहले भी थे लोग जो लड़े हमारे लिए, सब ही है सामान ये सिखा गए। अब है अपनी बारी दिखाएं जिम्मेदारी, कुछ तो कर जाएंगे कमाल हम धरती पे, सबको जो मिले कुछ करने की वजह। कमाल हम धरती पे, सबको जो मिले कुछ करने की वजह हो। कुछ करने की वजह
This pandemic has thrown our lives into chaos. However, it has also made us pause and reflect on our actions, choices, beliefs, and decisions. We have a golden opportunity to rebuild in a more sustainable manner to ensure a better, greener world for us and our future generations. We all dream of a brighter tomorrow, and it is up to all of us to make this a reality. I call upon the music director of the show, Grammy winner Ricky Cage, to announce the next song and the artist.
Thank you so much. For this next song, we have with us the living legend himself, someone who I've admired since my childhood. I'm so excited to perform with this great person and to introduce Hariharan. He will be singing the song Dekha Hai.
सफर सफर हजारों है सूरज और लाखों सितारे, कहानी है सबकी अलग। देखा है मैंने ये सपना, है कहीं पे ऐसा एक जहां, और क्या है गलत, जुदा इन सवालों से है। वक्त पे है ना कोई भी पहरा, रात भी रोशन यहाँ। देखा है मैंने ये सपना, है कहीं पे ऐसा एक जहां, है हवा मुझे ले चल वहां। नीलाचलसमाभासं पुत्र्यमावजं छायामार्ताण्डसम्भूतम्। Whoa,
you, wherever you are. How many pieces of plastic do you see? Don't forget to count your phones, computers, plastic bags, plastic cups, and everything else that contains plastic parts. I have already grown tired of counting. Unfortunately, discarded plastic ends up in landfills and worse still in our oceans. Plastics are not biodegradable and kill millions of animals and birds every year. The next song is called Plastic War, and it talks about things we can do to avoid plastic pollution. Let's sing along with Prajot and learn from its important message.
प्लास्टिक तेरे घर में, प्लास्टिक मेरे घर में, प्लास्टिक की है दुनिया बन गई। कोई तो बताए अच्छा सा उपाय, प्लास्टिक मॉन्स्टर को भगाए कोई। No plastic trash, stop throwing it away. No plastic trash, recycle it today. कितनी मुश्किलों से आती हरियाली और चुटकी में खो देते सभी। प्लास्टिक की बजाय और कोई उपाय क्यों ना मिलके सोचते सभी। No plastic trash, stop throwing it away. No plastic trash, recycle it today. प्लास्टिक किसी काम में आता नहीं बाद में, जैसे का तैसा रहता है उम्र भर। सेहत के लिए है ये हानिकारक, इतना बुरा है इसका असर। तो जो प्लेट्स और चम्मच प्लास्टिक से बने हैं, कह दो उन सब को तुम बाय बाय। मौका ये सुनहरा हमको जो मिला है, ध्यान रखना कहीं ना खो जाए। No plastic trash, stop throwing it away. No plastic trash, recycle it today. Plastic trash, stop throwing it away. No plastic trash, recycle it today. Come on now. No plastic trash, stop throwing it away. Everybody say no plastic trash, recycle it today. No plastic trash, stop throwing it away. No plastic trash, recycle it today. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I hope that you all are having a great time at this concert and are just as inspired as I am to make a difference. Now here's a fun fact. Did you know that there are over 6 million land-dwelling species on our planet?
Sadly though, climate change and deforestation are driving many species to extinction.
A healthy land and a healthy ecosystem are very important for our very survival. Now more than ever, we need to celebrate the joy of life. The next song is Born from the Land, the official anthem of the United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification.
Presenting Born from the Land, performed by IP Singh.
होता वही है घर जहाँ डर हो ना फिकर, मिट्टी की जहाँ आए खुशबू, जहाँ ख्वाब हो फलक पर और सांसों में सबर, जहाँ खुद से हो तू रूबरू। जो देखे कभी सोचे तो जान ले, है कितना खुश किस्मत तू।
Let's celebrate the joy of life. Oh, we're born from the land. Oh, you and I and all of life. Oh, we're born from the land. Yeah. Let's celebrate the joy of life. Oh, we're born from the land.
बंदे जरा तू रुक, मिलता यहीं सब कुछ है पेड़ों की छाँव में हर सुख। सारी अपनी जमीन कभी होगी ना कमी, सबको करती मोहब्बत धरती। जो देखे कभी सोचे तो जान ले, है कितना सुंदर मंजर।
Let's celebrate the joy of life. Oh, we're born from the land. Oh, you and I and all of life. Oh, we're born from the land. Oh yeah. Life.
देखता जरा तेनू जो भी चाहिदा, तेरे पैरां दे है थल्ले पे आ। सोचता जरा उसे तरह हो दुनिया, होवे जिस तरह दिल तेरा।
Let's celebrate the joy of life. We're born from the land. You and I and all of life. We're born from the land. Yes, we are. Let's celebrate the joy of life. We're born from the land.
Children are the hidden victims of the COVID-19 pandemic. The sudden change is affecting mental health in millions, and this is not an easy time for us. We miss having our midday meals with our classmates. Moreover, millions of children do not even have enough food at home. We dream of a future where we, the children, do not have to worry about essentials such as food, clean air, and clean water. We want to have the best childhood possible, and we can reimagine the future for children like us. Let's all ensure that COVID-19 does not jeopardize the present and our future. The next song is called Wake Up, and to sing this song, let's invite back on this virtual stage Anjana Padmanabhan. It's a song about positivity and hope. Wake up everyone, it's time to save the earth. Join us and enjoy this performance.
Na 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 na. चढ़ती सुबह है हम मस्ती का तोहफा है, अपनी हंसी सारी दुनिया पर छिड़काए। छोटे है ये कदम पर ख्वाबों में है दम, प्यारे दुलार मिले एवरेस्ट भी चढ़ जाए। हो रहा सवेरा हर जगह तुम भी जागो प्यारे, हम ही है फ्यूचर चश्मा तो लगा के देखना रे। हो रहा सवेरा हर जगह तुम भी जागो प्यारे, हम है फ्यूचर ना समझ है जो हमें नकारे। वेक अप टाइम हो गया अब हमारे सपनों का, वेक अप टाइम हो गया हमको मिले जीने का मौका। वेक अप टाइम हो गया अब हमारे सपनों का, वेक अप टाइम हो गया हमको मिले जीने का मौका। ना 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 ना। भूख और बीमारी से और हर लाचारी से छुटकारा सबको है दिलाना। ये पल भी और आने वाला कल भी है अब हमारा और हमारा ही रहे। हो रहा सवेरा हर जगह तुम भी जागो प्यारे, हम ही है फ्यूचर चश्मा तो लगा के देखना रे। हो रहा सवेरा हर जगह तुम भी जागो प्यारे, हम है फ्यूचर ना समझ है जो हमें नकारे। वेक अप टाइम हो गया अब हमारे सपनों का, वेक अप टाइम हो गया हमको मिले जीने का मौका। वेक अप टाइम हो गया अब हमारे सपनों का, वेक अप टाइम हो गया हमको मिले जीने का मौका।
Hope you all enjoyed these fantastic songs and performances. Please do join us and UNICEF
so that together we can reimagine
a better future for every child.
It's the time for festivities across our country.
But please remember that the pandemic is not over.
Let's stay safe by following the necessary precautions. Wear a mask, wash your hands regularly,
And once again,
We wish you all
a very happy
World Children's Day.
Whoa.